When animals take charge, you can expect lots of surprises. WOW TV's got videos of animals in all sorts of emotional situations. Are you okay? Let's start right away. At a beetle farm, a lost elephant suddenly appeared. Thanks to a quick detection, the farmer managed to escape from the angry creature. Consider this a warning if you decide to go to sea on an inflatable boat. All they need to do is speed up and get away from here immediately. Two lions caused chaos when they suddenly leapt out of an enclosed fence. They were captured after 15 minutes with no injuries reported. Don't get too close to bison. They could get mad at any time. A crazy scene was caught on CCTV as a rabid fox tried to approach a woman. It only left her alone when the neighbor ran over with a whip in hand. Shh, don't move, or the cheetah's gonna notice, and that's when things will go wrong.
Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay.
Once a well-behaved dog, Palgang suddenly became aggressive.